everyone! A very good day to you and welcome back to Learn with Yenn. Do you all love fireworks? It is really nice to see the vibrant colors of the firework when they burst into the night sky. But did you know you can make your own firework happen in your home? And the best part is, we do not need fire to light up this firework. Let me show you how. What we need is 3/4 jar of water, some oil, and some food coloring. Here, I am just using the 3 primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. We will also need a syringe or dropper. First, take the syringe or dropper and use it to drop the food coloring into this small cup of oil. Now stir up the food coloring and the oil together to break down the drops of food color that we have put in. Finally, here is the fun part. Pour in the mix into the water and watch the magic begin. Wow! Isn't it beautiful? The reason that we are able to make this happen is because water and oil does not mix. However, food coloring will mix with water because food coloring is water-based. When the food color goes below the oil and reaches the water, it will mix, hence giving it a firework effect. See, I told you, we do not need fire to light up this firework. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see more videos from my channel, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye!